Tell me, Sheetal, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir.
Okay.
I'm a student of Trader in Me 6,
आप
3.6.
अच्छा ट्रेड एंड मी 3.6 में हो आप. वेरी गुड.
Yes.
बताइए आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस चल रहा है अभी तक 6 महीने में.
6 महीने में बहुत ही अच्छा. इट वाज वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस.
ओके.
तो I did very good experience with the live trades, live support sessions that we had.
Okay.
When in last Ambuja trade, I made 3.28 lakhs.
3.28 lakhs अंबुजा में. फ्यूचर में
Yes, with future.
how many lots you are holding?
Initially, I started with one lot, and in between, I added 2 more lots, and I exited. But I would have holded that then more than that.
So you did the pyramid, but you exited prematurely.
In between.
Yeah, or you could have been making more than 3 lakh rupees. So how are you? See, more than the money that let's say you made 3.5, 2 lakhs. How many you like to do this? Like, what is your background, Sheetal? What do you do?
Actually, I was an IT professional, but then I left that my job.
Okay.
Before I left job, I joined your webinar, which was a down trade secrets. In last September. After that, I joined Options Mastery, and then I gained confidence that I can switch my career, and I exited my previous career, and I joined this Trader in Me, and I'm a student of 3.6. I
Okay.
joined in March.
Okay.
I'm really learning. I'm enjoying this new career.
Okay. Okay, isn't that great, like switching career and that too so quickly from being an IT professional to trader? Can we have one big round of applause for Sheetal? Come on, everyone. Yes, great job. So what gave you that confidence so quickly to drop the job? Like, how was that decision?
One thing was that I have a kid of 6 years old, and with the IT job, I was not able to focus. मुझे उसके तरफ देखने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं था. When the pandemic lockdown started, I was working from home.
Yes.
So then this lockdown gave me opportunity to attend these webinars and do the trading from home.
Oh, great.
And then I decided, and the learning, what I learned, the technicals, that gained me confidence that yes, I can do this.
Great, great decision.
It's very nice. The Vishal sir and Meghna ma'am's sessions are really effective and really, very good.
Great. So I more than, let's say, now you're making money. That's one thing which is good. But are you happy, and is your kid happy that now you are not that busy compared
Yes, I can see where complete, difference with her behavior also. सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि पहले कैसी थी वो, and now there is a drastic difference.
Wow, that's great.
तरफ मैं
And
ध्यान दे सकती हूँ अभी.
I know. I can relate to that. I have 2 kids. We both have 2 kids, like 12 and 8, and spending time. Oh wow, hi. Oh, she's shy. Okay,
Yeah.
so I have 2 kids, and I know the importance of spending time with 2 kids. And I learned from my coaches that you know what, most people, what they do is they do all the work, and जो बाकी बचा कुचा टाइम रहता है वो फैमिली को देते हैं, बच्चों को देते हैं. And but what they taught me that you pay all the attention to your kids and your family, and बचे कुचे टाइम में काम कर लो. I know it sounds very different and weird, but that's how it is, because one statement I remember for my coaches that if you don't pay attention to your kids at the right time, then
Right.
kids will remain kids only once. And if
Right.
you are missing that golden period with the kids, it will never come back. And I'm so happy and so proud as a parent also that I can at least transform your life through my coaching and training, that you can give more time to the kid which is sitting next to you.
Yes.
Hi. And I'm so happy for that. So more than money, isn't this priceless? Come on, guys. Isn't it priceless?
Yes.
How many would like to have that kind of freedom? Forget about the money, or forget about the money made, or forget about the fees paid for the program and all that. Now, this particular thing is like unbelievable. Like, I am truly like so glad I spoke to you, and it feels as a coach, as a mentor, me and Meghna feel so proud that this kind of transformation is what we are looking for, and that's the program being built around. It's not only about trading. Now let me ask you, what is one or two things which you learned which is not related to trading but it has impacted you in a big way?
One thing is to have a cool and calm temperament, what I learned. Even with family issues, any family अब देखो तो कुछ ना कुछ तो issues रहता है. To have a cool and calm temperament, setting your goals.
Wow.
When I started setting my goal for the month, I started like making profits, which I was not even. When I started working on mindsets, I started making money, and I started focusing on this, the technicals also.
Wow, great, great.
Confidence I increased with that competence.
Imagine that what money you are making as an IT professional, now you can make sitting at home by just trading and giving more time to your kids. And that confidence which you have, it is making me more confident that I can actually coach anybody, right, and everybody. So, like, what advice would you like to give to all other females in the group right now? There are 2,400 people, and I'm sure there are at least 30 to 40% females who are watching this. So, what advice would you like to give them, whether they are homemakers also or whether they are working? What advice would you like to give them?
Is this about this trader and me? If you ask me, it's really life changing. But of course, you have to work hard, like you work hard for. I did 4 years engineering. So I worked hard at that time also. So I'm working hard at present also. So if you work hard, then the rewards are good here as compared to the other profession.
Great, that's a great message. Yes, work hard, as it is, everybody works hard, but if you work at the right time, at the right high income skill, then the rewards are better, right? Any last message you would like to say to me or Meghna or to the audience?
So one thing I want to share, that I opened my account in 2019. I was not at all aware. No share ऊपर जाता है नीचे जाता है दिन में, वो भी मुझे पता नहीं था. So and I'm trading in futures and options right now.
Oh wow.
And one thing, when I opened Demat account, the broker used to call me and provide the calls, and now looking at my profile, he stopped calling me, providing any calls right now. Even
Great.
I called 2 days before while I was facing some issues in the system, but then he was not at all talking, ye le lo madam, wo le lo.
In fact, they will start asking you, or they might be already following your trades now. That ye jo karegi, wo hi main karunga. That's great.
Good equity profile right now. Yeah,
thank you. And is one more important question. I am sure that there will be good family support for what you are doing, right? Without that, it's not possible.
Yes, of course, you need to have that.
Yes.
If you are confident, you can convince family.
Yes, if
you may not get, because this is all has a belief that this is gambling, and it's very risky, but you have to believe in yourself.
Okay, if you are confident, you can believe. You can convince anybody. Yes.
Yeah, you should have.
Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you for joining, and good luck to your future career as a pro trader. And I'm sure I'm going to interact more with you in the future once we head towards the end of this program, and I see more of your messages, boom messages. And bye. What's her name?
Her name is Farah.
Farah. Bye, Farah. Hi. Bye. Hare haath to hilao kuch. Yes. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Sheetal, for joining. Thank you, Sheetal.
Yeah, thanks.
थैंक यू. तो देखा आपने कैसे उन्होंने रिजल्ट्स को अचीव किया. कोई भी बैकग्राउंड से हो, ट्रेडर बन सकते हो. खाली आपको थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बैक टेस्टिंग करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड एंड देन यू कैन बिकम अ प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर. नाउ ऑल दिस आर माय ट्रेडर इन मी स्टूडेंट्स. वी हैव अ प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड ट्रेडर इन मी 1 year program, and it is starting soon. The next batch is starting here in this month, and if you want to check out more details, if you're committed, if you're ready to put some money, if you're ready to put some effort, if you're ready to have that enthusiasm enthusiasm to learn and give this new profession some time and effort so that you become the level where you want to in terms of being a professional, then check out the details for this new batch of Trade and Me program 4.5 at malkanwebinar.com.